Welcome back, the Beauty Squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica and Little Bear. And today, I got kind of a little different video. Sit down. And we're going to sit here and talk about this new item in my life, which is Thrive. It is a mental health weight loss supplement that has changed how I felt about vitamins and everything else. So if you would like to figure out what's been helping me in the past couple of weeks and why I'm so excited for this product and to be able to bring them to you, because I do have a link to the website itself so you can purchase your own. Stay tuned, because these are game changers, guys. Game changer. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on, and comment down below and let me know you joined the Beauty Squad. So many have asked, this has been a video so long in the making, and I do apologize because I really wanted to have this video out on some of this stuff. But, you know, me and my family got sick, so I couldn't make it. But this, it was fake. It was honestly fake. Because with me getting sick, I'm able to explain this to you better of what this bad boy right here is, along with some of the other stuff I have in here. But y'all, this is a game changer. Game changer. This is not makeup, so if you're here for the makeup, I'm sorry. Not sorry, because this is going to change your life. I do plan on bringing this onto my channel so I can show y'all my journey with it, for the main purpose of showing y'all my journey. Now, this bad boy right here is Thrive. Some of y'all may have heard of Thrive. Most of y'all probably haven't. And let me give you an insight. It took me 3 months, probably 4 months, to even sign up with this. I did my research. I do not do the triangle scheme plans thing, the jiggers that, you know, everybody and anybody tries to get you to sign on because they want you working from home and it's convenient, blah, 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 and you're working for the higher man up. This is not one of those things. This is to better your life. And while you're bettering your life, you get the opportunity to better other people's lives. I can't talk today. But this is what it looks like. A 3-step system. Your first step is 2 supplements in the morning. And it has all the vitamins you need throughout the day. This is for women, formulated for women. They do have for men as well. And they do have like a section where you can buy for like a couple and save some money. But this is specifically for women's needs. And when you get them, these are what they look like. You open them up. And I've been on probably close to going on 3 weeks now. And I can tell a difference. I can tell a difference within the first week and a half. But really, whenever I caught COVID, that was the game changer for me. Because while everybody else was down and out, I was okay enough to take care of them. Like, yeah, I still felt sick. I still felt bad. But I wasn't as bad as everybody else was in the house. And I was able to cater to them and their needs than being down and out with them. But this is what they look like. They come in individual packets like this for your convenience. And when you open them up, it's 2 little pills. You take both of these before you even step out of bed. Like, they have them in these packs for your convenience to have them by your bedside or wherever close by. So as soon as you wake up, you pop these bad boys. Good to go. 20 minutes after that, and this gives you vitamin A, D, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin 6, B6, folate, vitamin 12, vitamin B5, chronomol, selectamol, vitamin. I'm probably saying all that wrong. But this has so much to offer for you as your well-being. So, you know, new year, new you. If you want to make a life-changing step towards a healthier you, this is the step you want to take. Yes, I want to lose weight. My main goal, my biggest goal in this situation is to kind of lose weight. But I want to feel better about myself. I have 9 kids. My energy level has been at the worst it's ever been in this past year. I want to like just be a stay at home. You know, my mental stability has been very low. My depression has kicked in full force. Like, it's been a pretty rough year for my health wise. So before this year even changed, I wanted to seek out and find something that was going to better me, so I can be a better mom to my kids, a better wife to my husband, and just I feel better about myself. I'm only 34 years old. I should not feel as drained as I do most of the time. So that had to be, that was key thing for the search in it. And then on top of that, may go lose weight. You feel better about yourself, you're going to automatically start to lose weight because you're going to be more active in your life. And you're going to start doing more and exercising more, and all that kind of rolls together in one. That's why if you jump onto these no diet, no exercise schemes, they don't work out because it doesn't help your mental stability. It doesn't help your insides to where you need to fix what's broken that makes you gain the weight. Because it's all in all, it's our metabolism, right? But it's also what we do throughout the day. If you're just sitting on a couch like a couch potato, you're going to gain weight. You know, if you're sitting at home 24/7, you're going to gain weight. You got to force yourself to make changes throughout your life. You got to drink more water, you got to exercise more, you got to move more. Technically, you don't have to exercise. You just need to move more. Regardless, is sit here, you know, doing one of these numbers, you know, dancing out there with your kids, doing some TikToks, reels, what have you, whatever helps you move and motivates you, that's what you need to step towards. Now, second, about 20 minutes after you've done popped your 2 little purple pills, you want to go in and, yeah, I beat up this box, sorry y'all, and pick up one of these bad boys. And the thing about this, you can mix this with water or milk. Either one, your preference. You have mango, you have vanilla, you have all different kinds of flavors. Of course, I got chocolate. This is, like I said, this is my first box, so I wanted to get something that I thought that I knew I would like because I'm not a diet person. And I say that because I'm saying that it's true. I hate to diet. I hate healthy foods. I hate all that good stuff. Like, I don't, this girl, it's not for me. I cannot diet with that crap. And I don't like these little shakes. So I like these. They're not, okay, let me rephrase that, back it up. They're not good. They're not delicious. And oh my God, like, I have to have a 5 a day type either. They're tolerable. When I say tolerable, I am a picky biatch. A very picky biatch. You can ask my husband. He knows. He'll eat anything and everything, and I don't. Like, I am very, very, very picky when it comes to eating, drinking, whatever. You hear Lena? She's picky. Oh, me. Yeah, I'm picky, huh? You're picky, too. You want to come here? She don't have it for herself. Say hi. Now, I went and got a shake cup from Dollar General for like $3. And it just has a little ball in it. That way you just shake it up and mix it up and you're good to go. You don't have to do that. You can stir this, whatever. I just like to be a little fancy. But you add this. Mix or blend one packet with at least 8 to 10 ounces of water or milk. May blend with ice and fruit and smoothie as desired. So you can mix this in with your favorite fruit, whatever, to kind of get you to drink this. I just kind of just put the lowest about 8 ounces, chug it in a cup, and just chug it. Is the best way to do it. So you really gotta sit there and sip on it. Because it gets nastier as it sits, of course. But this has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B6, like so many good nutritions that your body needs to take on the day. And again, this is step 2. And you don't have to do chocolate. They have so many different other ones. Step 3 is more optional as what you get. Now, about 20 minutes after that, you want to go put on your patch. That's what this is right here. Where's the last one for my roll? I want to show you the pack real quick first, and then I'll show you the... Oh, okay, she got it. So, I got the black label because this is supposed to be, like, the best for the energy. To apply clean, dry area of the skin purposes and lead areas such as bicep, inside or outside shoulder, inside forearm, top of buttocks. Anywhere and everywhere these little dots give you. So this is kind of like dummy proof. Stop. But it's weight management, mental activity, and mood supporter, supports energy, circulation, promotes physical fitness. This is to give you all those good stuff that you just took, plus so much more throughout the whole day. So you're not lagging 2 hours after you take your pills and your shake, and you're just like, no, this helps keep that going throughout the whole day. This product is green bean coffee extract. But they have different ones for what meets your preference. They got some that's made towards weight loss, some through mental health, some towards, energy, all that good stuff. You just kind of go in, and I haven't learned the ins and outs because when I was supposed to be studying for this stuff, I've been sick, so I didn't have a chance to do my meetings like I needed to be able to, like, 1000% tell you exactly what these do, but I can tell you what they do for me. And that's what I wanted to go ahead and kind of show y'all, because somebody's been asking, because I'm hitting around to a couple of people, and then I've actually talked to a couple of friends after I was down and out, and I told them, I was like, if it was not for Thrive, I would have been down a lot longer. I know my immune system. I know how I am when it comes to getting sick. I don't get sick often, but when I get sick, I stay down for a while, and I didn't this time with COVID. But this is what it looks like up close. You just peel this bad boy out. Make sure whatever area you stick it onto is dry and clean, and it stays all day. Like, you don't have to worry about it budging. It's there. Like, I pick up 2 babies all day long constantly. It's there for the winter. But they're game changers. So if you're somebody like me and you want to go into 2022 with a new light of life and really want to change your lifestyle and make yourself healthier, this is for you. With a little bit of effort, guys. Like, I'm telling you, I'm lazy when it comes to like exercising and changing stuff around. I'm not the best at it. I don't like change. I like how certain things are. Like, it takes me a little bit to get into the motion of change. Hold on. So it's really hard for me to make changes in my life and have them stick. And this right here has been a game changer. Like, for most of y'all that have been following me for 2 years, y'all know I'm not going to give y'all the BS. Yes, I am selling this, but I have a link to where you can go straight to the website and you can purchase straight from the company. It's not me sending you anything. It's the company sending it to you, and you can sign up for either, a 2-week supplement package. It's like $100 for all 3 products, which is a really good deal because you get to try it out without any kind of commitment. I do know it goes cheaper if you sign up for like the monthly auto thing. They have a couples package that's like $300 for both you and your spouse, so both of y'all can change your life, and that's what I plan on getting next month. Is for the Mario, because I told them I wanted to try it first to make sure it wasn't no BS behind it, and kind of give it a run, see if it's worth our money, basically. And if it was, then I was going to get him on it as well. So I'm going to get him put on it because I worry about his health and his well-being, and that's Like, she loves my love. Like, she thinks it's so cool looking at my patch every day and trying to find it. It's kind of been like a hide-and-seek thing for her, but I don't put it on my buttocks, so she don't have to look there. I just mainly put it on my forearm, and I do switch out. Like, say I have it here, tomorrow I have it right here, or have it back here, just to kind of, give that area time to rejuvenate. It's always been kind of switch out instead of using the same side, same area every day, all day. You want to give your body a rest in that little skin area, really. But yeah, if you're interested in it, make sure you comment down below. Hit me up on Instagram or even on TikTok. I'm not sure if I plan on making a whole separate page for this or whatnot, but I will be putting up videos of how I feel, what it's done for me, the changes other people notice inside of me. So make sure you stay tuned. So if you're like me, you're not sure about the product, make sure you stay tuned so I can give you more insight on how it is and how it's worked for myself. Yes, I cannot guarantee it's going to change your life as well as it's done for mine, but I can guarantee that for me personally, I really enjoyed this journey, and so far so good. So it's been amazing, guys. Like, honestly, it's pretty damn great. It's really mind-boggling to me because I did not believe a product would make me feel as well as this it has. Well, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Stay tuned for update videos on my Thrive. And I do have a collab coming up and a couple of other makeup looks. And if you've missed me, make sure you go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I've been trying to post over there daily. And I would post over here daily, but it just takes a little bit longer to upload longer videos, so I haven't been able to upload every day here. But make sure you're checking out my TikToks and my Instagram. We've been doing some fire looks, me and Jasmine over there. I love y'all.